Mexico Beach at sunset. Florida's Gulf Coast at its most peaceful, calm, and inviting. Mexico Beach in daylight. The stark contrast is heartbreaking. Most of the debris is gone. Shells of homes and concrete pads remain.
Hurricane Michael was the first Category 5 storm to hit the United States since Andrew in 1992. Not much withstood the 160-mile-per-hour sustained winds here in Mexico Beach, with one exception, a property known as the Sand Palace.
Tennessee lawyer Russell King and his nephew Dr. LeBron Lackey set out to build a house that could stand up to a hurricane. Mission accomplished.
Russell always would talk about having to build one that would survive the big one, because we did intend it to pass from generation to generation. And we would even talk about, a hurricane that it might someday face.
They are convinced their home is still standing because Russell insisted on building the house out of concrete.
There was a time when the engineers, as we were working through this, they're wanting us to build a wood house, what they call a stick house.
Right.
And if we had a stick house, there would be no house. If I couldn't have a concrete house, deal's off. It was just a deal breaker.
The concrete pilings and walls proved to be more than enough to withstand Michael, and the roof looks like new. Russell and LeBron also went with Category 4 storm-tested windows. From the outside, this window looks like it broke clear through, but when you take a look from the inside,
it actually didn't break clear through. That window, the inside pane held.
It's still there.
And it's solid. And we did not take any moisture in through this window. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. The outer pane broke with a debris impact, but the inner pane held.
Most of LeBron and Russell's neighbors lost everything, packed up and left. What was the population of Mexico Beach prior to Hurricane Michael?
We had about 1,200 citizens, registered voters and citizens in town.
And now?
400.
Mayor Al Cathy expects it will take at least 5 years for there to be more houses than concrete slabs to line the beach, and for the people to come back.
Mexico Beach was founded on just quaint, unique charm, Gulf of Mexico, white sand, just a laid-back atmosphere.
Al plans to lead the rebuilding effort by following the example of the town's first mayor, his uncle Charlie Parker. Charlie's daughter Kathy grew up watching her father and grandfather develop the small beachfront community into something special. She argues no storm, not even a Category 5 hurricane, can change that.
Mexico Beach will always be the best place. It'll come back. It won't be the same, but it will come back, and people love it. They support it.